Hello everyone, Evs here, and today I'm going to show you how to install pip for Python 3.8 or above. First of all, to check if it's installed, we can type py-m pip and press enter. If we get a successful output, that means we have it installed. If we don't, we need to install it. To install pip, we can find Python in our list of programs. Once we've done that, we can click Change or Modify. Once we're in this screen, click Modify and make sure this pip checkbox is ticked. If not, tick it and click Next and continue with the installation process with Python. Once again, we can check if pip is installed by typing py-m pip. Hopefully now you'll see this big wall of text. To install a module with pip, type py-m pip install and then the module name, for example numpy. And you should now have pip installed for Python 3.8. Thank you for watching.